Now we'll discuss error in measurement. We know in every measurement there is some error that may be due to personal or instrumental or technical. The errors are measurement or are of two types, that is systematic error and random error. First of all, we will discuss systematic error. Systematic errors are one directional errors, positive, that may be positive or negative. Its sources are as follows, that is instrumental error. Instrumental error means that instrument we are using to measure may be faulty type. It arises due to the imperfect design. The main scale of the slide caliper does not coincide with the zero mark. The main slide caliper it does not coincide with the it is main scale. Okay, it is vernier scale. It does not coincide with the zero mark of the main scale. If the vernier scale does not coincide with the main scale, or the main scale does not coincide with the vernier scale, the error will arise. That is instrumental error. That is the second is imperfection in technique. Imperfection in technique does not know how to operate the machine. The machinist does not know how to operate this. Instead of operating in a systematic way, it does not know how to operate it, or knows less how to operate it. In that case, the error may arise. The personal error is error due to the carelessness of the individual, that is due to maybe the poor eyesight or some other cases. These systematic errors can be minimized by reducing personal error or using the better instruments. The better instruments, that more precise instruments, more accurate instruments you have. When you use, the less error it may appear. Okay.